Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Have you lost access to your Roblox account and don't have access to the email or phone number linked to it? Don't worry, I will show you how you can recover it. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step we are going to do is to open any browser. And then go to roblox.com/support. Now, fill the contact form with your basic information. First, you have to put your username. Now, you have to put your first name, which is optional. Now, enter the email address. Remember one thing, Roblox will contact you through this email address. Now, confirm your email address. Okay, so now you have to enter the device you are facing the problem on. I am using Android phone. So now you have to select the type of help category. Select account hacked or can't log in. Then you have to select forgot password. Now explain what happened to your account. Explain your situation and provide any details that can help verify your identity. Remember one thing, more explanation, more chance of recovering your account. Now make sure to check all the details. Once all are done, click on Continue. And then solve the verification. As you can see, the verification process is very simple and easy. Our message has been submitted. Just keep checking your email inbox for their reply. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.